Welcome to Jar Masala. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fish fry using our fish masala. So I have some fish here, and you can use any type of fish for this. And we have I have about 7 or 8 pieces of fish, and I'm going to use our fish masala, and I'm going to use 3 to 4 half a teaspoon, and you can season the fish to your taste. I'm going to use 3. I'm going to use 1 more. And you can see the whole cumin seeds in there, and I also have coriander seeds in there as well. And I'm going to add some garlic and ginger paste to this, and then add salt to your taste. And I'm going to add lemon juice. I'm just going to mix everything together. So we have our marinated fish, and I'm going to use canola oil. It's going to add our fish. If you like to try any of my spice kits or tea kits, send me a DM or visit jarmasala.com to order. And do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Jar Masalā. Thank you for watching.